Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kim with WorkHardTravelWell.com, and thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. On this channel, I post weekly videos about travel, technology, and lifestyle. And it's been a while since I posted a video about a Samsung product. You may have seen my other video where I talk about the Samsung UR55 monitor, which is a picture-by-picture monitor. If you haven't, you can check the details out of that Samsung UR55 monitor in the right-hand corner of this video. Check it out here. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20. I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the S20. I guess I'm really team Samsung. This video is being filmed with a Note 10, and the device that I use to fly my drones is a Note 8. So I'm excited to try this S20. Ooh. Of course, it's not on, but yeah. This is the size of the device. It's packaged in the box like so. Under the phone is the SIM card, the AC adapter. Also under here, or under the phone, Sound by AKG headphones. And these will go in the same area as the charger, so it's not my fave having it set up that way. Additional earplugs, and here's the cord for the wall charger. So it was the wall charger in here, and here's the cord. And the top part of the box we have in here, if I could get it out. Oh, duh, don't be like me. There's a little hole right here where you can take out the quick start guide. And also here is basically the SIM tool. Here's the quick start guide. Here's talking about insuring your device and terms and conditions. So the device has somewhat of a screen protector. I usually leave these on until they annoy me or start peeling. The colors for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G edition are Cosmic Black, which is obviously this one, Cosmic Gray, Cloud Blue. The display is a 6.7 Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED 2X. And it is a Infinity O display, 3200 by 1440 and 525 ppi. So it's going to ask me to set up, but I'll tell you some more about the camera and some of the specs of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Let's talk about the camera on the S20 Plus 5G. As you can see on the back, and it's going to be tough because of my light, there are 4 different cameras options. So let's start at the top. The top one is a 12 megapixel wide camera. Number 2 is the 12 megapixel wide angle camera. Number 3 is the 64 megapixel telephoto. Number 4 is over here, and it's the depth vision camera. Let's talk about video resolution, which is gonna be my favorite because I have a YouTube channel. I love to record video. It's up to 8K video at 24 frames per second. Wow. And also it records 4K ultra high definition recording at 60 frames per second. There's hyperlapse available at 1080p and also slow motion available at 1080p. I love a good slow motion video, don't you? The battery life of this model, which again is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, is 4500 mAh. So let's set it up really quickly. It is asking me to agree to some terms. Let me go ahead and sign my life away and hit next. Choose a Wi-Fi network. I'm going to log on to my network. Don't you just love that clicking sound when you first get a new phone? It's checking for updates. It asked me to sign into my Google account. For now, I'm going to skip that. And it's asking if I will let Google basically stalk me like they do on every phone device, computer, social media network. And it's going to ask you to set up your PIN, fingerprint. You can do face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, and password. I usually like to do a good old fingerprint and PIN. For time's sake, I'm going to do a PIN. So you can transfer voicemail and things from another device. I'm going to skip that for the time being. And how you would transfer is using a QR code. So yeah, just wanted to show you the screen. Maybe I should turn this. Trying to get this focused. But yeah, here's the screen. As you can see, it's the evening right now. I wanted to show it to you all before I started setting it up and things. The first look at Samsung Galaxy S20. Let me know if you want to see some footage from this. It's been raining, so I want to wait till I have a really good day to take some of the 8K video and some of the different footages to show you what the photos are like. Let me know in the comments below. Should I do another video and an update on that? Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more updates on travel, technology, and lifestyle.